Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today we got Sony WH-1000XM5 to unbox and review. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future reviews and tech-related content. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing I notice is the sleek and minimalist packaging. Sony always pays great attention to detail when it comes to their product presentation. Inside, we have the headphones themselves, a high-quality carrying case, a USB-C charging cable, an audio cable for wired use, and of course, the user manual with all the essential information. Connectivity-wise, these headphones support Bluetooth 5.0, which should provide a stable and efficient connection. Sony's headphones Connect app allows for deep customization and fine-tuning of your audio experience. Taking a closer look at the headphones, they feel incredibly premium in hand. The build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from Sony. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the sound quality. These headphones boast Sony's renowned noise-canceling technology. I'm eager to test how they perform in real-world scenarios. They also have features like adaptive sound control, which adjusts the noise-canceling settings based on your activity, and an ambient sound mode to stay aware of your surroundings when needed. Before we wrap this up, let's touch on battery life. Sony claims these can deliver up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, which is impressive if it holds up in real-world usage. That's it for today's unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. If you have any questions or specific tests you'd like me to perform in the full review, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And as always, subscribe to TK Rev for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.